I just got a new car, so let's organize my center console. I'm gonna start by taking out the tray, and then I'm using this gummy bear bag that I got from Forever 21, and I'm gonna keep everything snack and drink related. First are these almond and cranberry bars that I love from Good & Gather, and then I'm also gonna put a fruity option, the mango and apple That's It bars. These are delicious. And then, of course, I'm gonna put my Bloom packets and some liquid IV packets. I always have a tumbler full of water in my car, so these are just super convenient to throw in my water for when I'm on the go. Also, how cute is this pink tumbler that I just got from Starbucks today? Okay, now I know that I'm extra, but this is a little tea emergency cough drop emergency kit. If I'm feeling sick or I have a cough, I have what I need. And then also some tea packets are great to have on hand because when you go through a drive-thru, all you need to do is ask for hot water and you have your own tea. That is everything inside this pouch. I'm going to put it inside the console. And then next, this pouch I got from Amazon. I love the size and that it's clear. So I'm going to put everything period related in here. So tampons, pads of every size, panty liners, Summer's Eve cleansing cloths. These I get from Amazon. They're menstrual pain therapy patches, and you put them on the area that you have a cramp. And it is so nice to just have that warmth if you suffer from severe cramps. And then, yes, I'm putting an extra pair of clean, brand new chonies in here because I've been in this situation where I needed new Bonthies and I didn't have them. So here I am labeling the bag period powder with my pink label maker, and the labels are pink. The last pouch that I'm making is my emergency kit, and this I got from Target. It was free because I bought a bunch of stuff that goes inside, including these Band-Aids. I am going to put a variety pack and these flexible fabric ones because I feel like you always just need options, as well as some Neosporin that fits really nice on this little side compartment and some non-stick pads. A couple of these shall do, and then I also got some tape. Literally, you never know. And then I also got some antiseptic cleansing foam for kids. If a child has gotten hurt near me, I want to be able to take care of them. I also put in this Benadryl Itch Shopping Cream, which also fits nicely in this little pouch. And then last but not least, I cannot drive a vehicle without car scissors. This is all packed and ready to go, and look at how nicely it fits right next to the other two pouches. I'm gonna go ahead and put the tray back on top and then just put a couple of necessities, including some Ice Cube spearmint gum. This, I have no idea what it's called, but I got it on Amazon. I'm obsessed with it. I'm the type of person that likes to keep some cash in her car, but I don't want it to be super obvious and like in a wallet or something. So I got this. It's actually a little keep safe box, and I think there's like $14 in there. So if I ever need parking money or whatever, like layers random elote man, I got cash. And then last but not least is my blingy sparkly hand sanitizer from Bath & Body Works. This is everything. What am I missing, you guys? What am I missing?